To add quantity to Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your online store. Click on the Store Manager and select the product for which you want to add quantity. In the product settings, click on the Inventory tab and enable the Track Inventory option. Next, enter the quantity of the product you have in stock in the Current Stock Level field. You can also set a low stock threshold to receive notifications when the product quantity falls below a certain level. To set quantity limits for each product variant, click on the Variants tab and select the variant you want to edit. Enter the quantity for each variant in the Stock Level field. It is also important to set up quantity pricing rules if you offer discounts for bulk purchases. To do this, click on the Pricing tab and select the Quantity Pricing option. Enter the quantity ranges and corresponding prices to apply the discounts. Finally, make sure to save your changes and test your quantity settings to ensure they are working correctly. By following these steps, you can easily add quantity to your Wix store and manage your inventory effectively. Best practices include regularly updating your quantity levels to reflect changes in your stock, using quantity limits to prevent overselling, and setting up notifications to alert you when products are running low. By mastering quantity management in Wix, you can streamline your online store operations, improve customer satisfaction, and increase sales. Remember to always keep your quantity settings up to date to ensure a smooth shopping experience for your customers.